In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix something went wrong error when trying to log into AXS app. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection since weak Wi-Fi or mobile data can often trigger login issues. Next, launch AXS app and fully close it from your recent app list. Then reopen it and try signing in again. Next up, check for app update. Navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app AXS. Once app appears, if you see the option update, click on it. With these, your problem might be fixed. If not, clear cache for the app. Launch settings, go to General, click on iPhone storage, find AXS app and launch it. Now click on the option Offload app and confirm it. Then wait for a few seconds, click on Reinstall app. Next up, you should check that you are entering the correct email and password linked to your AXS account. And if needed, try resetting your password using the Forget Password option. Lastly, check if you are connected to VPN or ad blocking apps, as they can interfere with the login. By following these steps, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.